Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is India's indigenous AI model. Why in news? India is set to launch its own safe, secure and affordable indigenous AI model backed by a robust computing facility. The initiative will aim at making AI technology accessible to all, ensuring inclusivity and ethical deployment. The India AI mission is supported by a computing infrastructure of 18,693 GPUs, far surpassing global benchmarks. It will focus on creating foundational models for various applications with an emphasis on local languages, cultural context, and societal benefits. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new badge for the IAS-GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501 87501. Applications. The India AI model will cater to critical sectors like agriculture, healthcare, weather forecasting and governance, addressing challenges like climate change and learning disabilities. The AI solutions will be designed to meet the diverse needs of India with a focus on creating scalable models for societal impact. India's AI journey also aligns with the development of semiconductor technology and its broader technological vision, setting the country up as a global AI powerhouse. Key projects like machine unlearning, AI ethical certification, and explainable AI will be developed to ensure fairness and transparency in AI systems. Significance. This computing power, costing significantly less than global models, will be made available to researchers, startups, and students at highly competitive rates. The Common Computing Facility will offer affordable access, especially for academic and governmental sectors, with a 40% government subsidy, reducing the cost to under Rs 100 per GPU hour. AI safety and ethical deployment are a priority, with the creation of the India AI Safety Institute to address risk and ensure security in AI applications. Practice question: what will the India AI Safety Institute primarily focus on? AI commercialization, AI safety and ethical frameworks, AI-powered healthcare solutions, AI regulation across industries. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.